Hello guys, good evening. I'm gonna cook fried this salmon with garlic butter. This is my butter. I'll just put pink salt and black pepper. My black pepper, I need black pepper. This is my minute day. Only tonight I cook because they did not eat here. This lunch. This is mine. I fried this with garlic and butter. I use butter instead of oil. I use butter instead of oil.